On the subject of the alchemy of astrology, we have 4 elements and 3 modalities. Each of the zodiac signs will be a completely unique combination of the elements and modalities, marking its specific purpose in the zodiac wheel. The 4 elements form the cross of matter, which will be the 4 cardinal points of the natal chart, which are going to be the ascendant, the descendant, the midheaven, and the imam coeli. This is also like the 4 cardinal directions on a compass. They are the crux of creation and manifestation in our reality. Each of the 4 elements has a set of metaphysical and symbolic virtues that define its form. Alternatively, the modalities, also known as triplicities, form a circle of becoming. Each of the 3 modalities reveals a method of operation, the mechanics behind performance and action. It illustrates the way a zodiac sign will approach how it projects and expresses the energy of its ruling planet. It is also representative of the important phases within the cyclical patterns of life. Okay, so just for some clarity, on the cosmic stage, we have the planets, which are the archetypal forces, or like actors. We have the elements, which are the form that the actors will take, their qualities and virtues, in the physical manifestation of existence. And then we have the modalities, which will explain the function, or the way the planetary archetypal actors will operate and take action. Together, these things form the ladder of manifestation. So now let's break it all down into the details. So each of the 4 elements will be either the yin or the yang polarity. They will be either wet or dry. They will be either hot or cold. And they will be either fast or slow. Each of these things here is a foundational component to the element's manifestation into form. The hot elements are active, extroverted, and expressive. They tend to be curious, spontaneous, excitable, and experimental. Adversely, the cold elements are deep, introverted, and reflective. They tend to be more emotional, more intuitive, and more cautious. The dry elements are ambitious, direct, and motivated. They tend to be more straightforward, dedicated, and controlling. And the wet elements are observant, inquisitive, and tolerant. They tend to be more open-minded, more engaged, and more contemplative. The elements that are fast are instinctive, impulsive, and reactive. They tend to project their passion and desire into the world. The elements that are slow are calculating, mindful, and present. They tend to absorb the energies of their environment. Elements with the yang energy seek to create. They crave excitement and stimulation, embracing challenge and competition. Elements with the yin energy seek equilibrium. They are passive and patient, careful, soothing, and introspective. So, here is the breakdown for each element and what they are. The element of fire, it is hot, fast, dry, and yang. The element of earth is cold, slow, dry, and yin. The element of air is hot, fast, wet, and yang. And then the element of water is cold, slow, wet, and yin.